The third verb, the verb chercher. Chercher means to search or to look for. Je cherche, it's an ER verb, so it's very simple to conjugate. Je cherche, tu cherches, il cherche, elle cherche, nous cherchons, vous cherchez, il cherche, elle cherche. Now do not forget that il cherche and elle cherche, this il cherche singular and il cherche plural can only be recognized according to the context of what you're speaking. So this is they are looking for, and this is he or she is looking for. So please do not forget. Now, going forward, we have the negation. Negation. So I believe in French, if we can say, or even in every language, if you can say, I like something, it is possible to say I do not like something. So that takes us to negation. For the negation we have in French, we have ne pas. Ne pas. Now, in French, these two words do not come together. So definitely something must come in between them. What will come in between them is the verb we are trying to negate. That is the action we do not do. So that means the rule is ne plus verb plus pas. Ne plus verb plus pas. So let's proceed further. Now, for instance, here we have je comprends bien le cours. I can say I do not understand the course very well. I do not understand the course very well. It becomes je ne comprends pas bien le cours. Meaning I do not really understand the course. Do not forget, the verb has to be in between the words of negation. And the verb must be conjugated also with the subject. So if I'm saying, I'm talking to a number of people and I'm asking them, vous parlez français? Vous parlez français? Because I'm talking to a number of people, they can say we speak or we do not speak French. So we speak French would be we. Nous parlons français. And if it's going to be non, it becomes non, nous ne parlons pas. Nous ne parlons pas français. Nous ne parlons pas français. Look at the example we have here. La négation. Where the lady said, non, je ne connais pas. Non, je ne connais pas. Non, je ne connais pas. Désolé. Sorry, I do not know the place. Sorry, I do not know the place. Look at another one here. Je ne parle pas italien. The verb parler has been conjugated with je. So the parler has to come in between the negation because what we are saying is a negative response. The negative response. So let's proceed further, please. So that is all for negation. It's very simple. The ne plus the verb plus pas. C'est fini. C'est fini. It's no more than that. So let's proceed further. Okay, here you will have to conjugate some verbs for me here. We have some verbs in brackets. We have some verbs in brackets. Now, I would like you to conjugate these verbs for me in this sentence and send to send as an assignment. You can send as an attachment. You can send it to my personal WhatsApp number so I can correct the responses. Or you can send to eafntg@gmail.com. And then we have another one here. Compléter. Compléter is on the verb complete. Compléter avec les verbes aimer, chercher, comprendre, connaître, être, en parler. En parler. Now we are going to complete these sentences with any of the appropriate verbs listed here. With any of the appropriate verbs outlined here at the top. Compléter avec le verbe aimer, chercher, comprendre, connaître, être, en parler. We have two people here, an Italian and Greg. And the Italian said, excusez-moi, je dash le restaurant La Bourgogne. Then Greg said, non, je ne dash pas le restaurant. So we are going to complete these sentences with any of these verbs. And please send this as an assignment as well, like we have said earlier. You can send it to the email, or you can send it to my WhatsApp number for correction. I hope you understand this class, and I hope to see you in the next class. Merci beaucoup et bonne journée.